Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FATEHAH. Me and my other member, FILZAH Najwa, we are gonna explain the solution for Common Test October 2019, question 2 about Intangible Asset MFRS 138. So, the first question is, an intangible asset can be recognized as an asset if it meets definition of an intangible asset, which is an identifiable non-monetary asset without physical substances. Briefly explain the criteria of identifiability according to MFRS 138 intangible assets. So according to MFRS 138 intangible asset, identifiability is being separated or divided from entity through sold, transferred or licensed, arise from contractual or other legal right.
Hi, I'm FILZAH Najwa that will explain about the questions B. Okay, for the questions B, Labu Sayong Berhad operate a chain of traditional homestay in Negeri Sembilan. The company decided to promote aggressively its homestay chain to local and international tourists by emphasizing on an exclusive and a modern design woods of the traditional Malay house. On 1st January 2016, it acquired a corporate customer list from Z Database Corporations for RM250,000 and is estimated to be valid for 5 years due to frequent revisions of new customers in the tourism industry. On 30th December 2018, the fair value of the customer list was RM80,000. Intangible assets is measured using revaluation model. Requires first, explain the accounting treatments for the customer list on the year ended 30th December 2018. Second, show the journal entries to record the transactions for the year ended 30th December 2018. For the first question, which is explain the accounting treatments for the customer list on the year ended 30th December 2018. Before we answer these questions, we can do a workings that can be a guideline for us to answer these questions. The working for this question is shown at the slides. For the answer, firstly, the accumulated amortizations of RM150,000 will be eliminated on the 30th December 2018. Therefore, the carrying amount of the customer list is RM100,000. In addition, there is a deficit on revaluations amounted to RM20,000 after compare the fair value on 30th December 2018 with the carrying amount of the customer list in 30th December 2018. Thus, these amounts of deficits must be debited into the SOPL under administrative expenses. Requirement 2, which is show the journal entries to record the transactions for the year ended 30th December 2018. Firstly, debits accumulated amortizations RM150,000, credits intangible assets, which is customer list RM150,000. For the second journal entries, debit SOPL deficits on revaluation RM20,000, credit intangible assets on customer list RM20,000.
Alright, for the last question is on 1st January 2018, Berhad acquired a franchise for RM5,500,000. It has a legal life for 4 years and renewable at the end of every 4 years, and the company intends to renew it indefinitely. The fair value less cost to sell as at 31st December 2018 was RM4,800,000. Explain the accounting treatment for the franchise for the year ended 31st December 2018. The amortization expenses on the 31st December 2018 is RM1,375,000, which is the cost divided by 4 years. Thus, the carrying amount for the franchise is RM4,125,000, which is the cost minus the amortization for the year. By comparing the fair value in use and its carrying amount during impairment test, Berhad discovered that there is a revaluation surplus occurred amounted to RM675,000. Therefore, under revaluation model, it must be stated into SOPL under other comprehensive income and also must be credited into asset revaluation reserve. So that's all from us. Thank you.